Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubble letters in Adopt Me. It's a super easy way to make your game experience more unique. You can use these cool fonts to customize your pet names, create eye-catching signs, or even add flair to your chat messages. We'll walk through the simple steps together, so you can start personalizing your Adopt Me world in just a few moments. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your web browser and search for an online bubble text generator. There are many free options available. Once you find one, simply type the words or phrase you want to transform into the input box. The generator will instantly convert your regular text into a fun bubble font. After it's generated, just click the Copy button to save the special text to your clipboard. Now, head back into your Adopt Me game. Go to the area where you wish to use your new bubble letters, like renaming a pet or editing a sign. Simply paste the copied text into the designated field. Keep in mind that some very elaborate fonts or special characters might not display perfectly in the game, or could be cut off if too long. You might need to try a few different styles to find one that works best. Don't stop at just bubble letters. Many online generators offer a wide variety of cool fonts and symbols. Feel free to experiment with different styles to find what truly expresses your creativity. Using these unique fonts can really make your pets, your in-game house, or your trading stall stand out from the crowd. Have fun customizing and sharing your awesome new text with all your friends and Adopt Me.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.